Up, just bringing you guys a 60 pack. Sorry for checking all these cards, but I just want to make sure they go in a collection or not. Not a very good first pull to start out this. And the rest of this pack is pretty much. I don't know, just quick some. On to the next pack. Here we go. I don't really have a particular method. Pack. I mean, David Amerson, that's okay. I mean, I was wanting him anyway. Probably do one of those collections, just get one of him. I can have him, I guess. I mean, he's. Wow, that's bad. 76 overall, Kevin. I'm right into that collection. Wait on it later. Damn it. On to the next pack here. First card, wow. First card, DeAndre Levy. That is not getting too many people to go in collections here. Just not getting with that, I guess. Silvers are a lot easy way to make coins. Silvers are one of the best. Jarvis Lane doesn't go. Right, good. Ooh, he actually goes in the collection. Nice. Ooh, Stephen Ridley. Good budget back if you ain't got a lot of. Oh, Gene Upshot collectible. Wow. Oh my God, that's a good card. That was for like 80,000 or 90,000. That collectible. It's nice. Oh, good. Something good. I feel it. Come on. Oh, Eric Reed. Oh, he's a really good player. I recommend if you have a overall team, what you need, go. He doesn't go in anything. Oh, he goes in something. Here. Oh man. God, these packs are really dry right now. I don't know. Oh, David Amerson. Oh, nice. Now I can complete one of those. That elite one. Well, the David Amerson elite has like 93. Oh, Niall Davis. That's not a bad. I'm not sure what he sells for now, but last week he sold 5K or something. Ooh, Mike Evans. I have the elite one. The elite one's good, but not quite starter worthy. First card out the. Man, killing me. Madden is just killing me with these packs. Absolutely killing me right now. Let's see, what do we got? Oh man. Oh. Madden is just packs just getting drier. Okay, let's see. I don't know how many packs in I am, but elite so far. Hopefully we can get one here. Oh man, 72? Why is that even considered a gold card? Oh wow, these packs have been dry. Hopefully here. Let's get it. Oh, 85 by polling. That's okay. That's decent. That's decent. He's an 85 overall. I don't know what he sells for, but double outsider. There you go. Let's see. You're right. Not gonna come anywhere near starting on my team. Oh, 7. Oh, Anthony Fasson. Second. They don't even want to like give me some first card out the